Hi all, welcome back to Lair Homemade. Today we are going to see how to make one of the most famous dishes of the Goan cuisine, which is the chicken kafriel. This chicken is basically made with a delicious base of spicy and tangy kafriel masala. But here I have given it a twist of my own. So let's begin with the recipe. If you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe. Also hit the bell icon and don't forget to like and share. Now the very first thing what we are going to do is that we'll make the chicken ready for marination. For this we'll take 1 kg of chicken curry pieces. Here you could also use the whole chicken leg pieces. We'll be putting some slits especially on the bigger pieces of the chicken so that it helps in marinating the chicken well. Once that is done, we'll apply the chicken some salt as per taste and we'll be leaving this aside for about 10 to 15 minutes until our marination masala is done. Now let's see what are the things required for the kafriel masala. I'll be doing some additions to this which I'll be explaining to you later. For now, we'll see what are the ingredients. Those are black pepper, jeera, cinnamon, some cloves, juice of a lemon, 5 to 6 green chilies, 1 inch ginger, few garlic pods, coriander and turmeric. We normally get these light green and the dark green chilies. If you're using the dark green ones, use only 3 or 4. And if you're using the lighter ones like me, you could use more. And I also like to use the stalks of the coriander as well, as they have a lot of flavor in them. So do make sure to use the stalks as well. And here comes the twist. I'm going to add some spinach and capsicum to our basic kafriel masala. We need to grind all of these into a paste. Now here we have added all the ingredients into a mixie jar. Then we'll just add a juice of a lemon and then we'll be adding our remaining ingredients. Those are the capsicum and the spinach. And then we'll grind all of these into a thin paste. We are done with the grinding of the paste and this is how it looks. We'll be using some of this paste for the marination of our chicken. Say about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Make sure to coat the chicken nicely with the masala, and the best way to do this is with the help of your hands. We'll also be rubbing it nicely into the slits which we have made into the chicken. And we'll keep this aside for 1 or 2 hours for marinating. And this is the remaining kafriel masala which we'll use later. The chicken kafriel at the restaurants is generally served with the potato chips. So by the time our chicken is getting marinated, we'll get ready with our potato chips. For this, we'll simply cut our potatoes into thick slices like this. And we'll shallow fry them till they are golden brown in color. We'll place the potato slices one by one into the oil. Once they're cooked on one side, we'll flip them and cook them on the other side as well. And then we'll remove them out in a plate. In the same oil, we'll fry our marinated chicken. The flame should be low to medium. And once the chicken gets brown marks like this, we'll turn them over. Now this green kafriel masala is very versatile. You could also add this in your favorite fish, chicken or mutton recipes. This green kafriel masala can also be used for your fish fry. You could also make paplet fry or bangda fry with this masala. Once our chicken is 60 to 70% cooked, we'll remove it out in a plate and then we'll add the next batch of our chicken in the same oil. Now once our second batch of chicken is also 60 to 70% done, we'll be adding our remaining reserved masala to this. We'll also be adding some water into the mixie and we'll use that water as well. Into this, we'll add the earlier fried chicken back again. And we'll let all these pieces cook nicely into the gravy. We'll let it simmer for some time on a low to medium heat. Do keep checking and stirring occasionally. We'll be cooking this till our gravy becomes thick and it coats the chicken well. As you can see, our gravy has become thick enough. At this point of time, we'll put the gas off and remove the chicken out in a plate. By now, my whole house is filled with the aroma of the chicken kafrel. I wish I could share some of it with you so that you could also know how tasty this has become. Now let's assemble the dish in a restaurant style with potato chips and salad. In the end, we'll also add the dry masala gravy on the top to give that additional spicy punch. So guys, that was the recipe for my Goan chicken kafrel with a twist. And if you have enjoyed this recipe, then don't forget to like, comment and share.